Hello students, today we are going to see about new engineering materials. Material science is a branch of science which deal with the properties of materials. The continuous developments in the field of science and engineering open the way to new technologies and applications. Scientists and technologists are finding out new materials for high-tech applications. The fast growing fields such as electronics, photonics, photoelasticity, fiber optics, and laser technology require efficient and stable new engineering materials. Hence, they must possess novel properties like large optical nonlinearities, optoelectronic property, high sensitivity to light, and large thermal and electrical conductivities. They should also have good mechanical strength, toughness, ductility, and lightness. Materials used in high-tech applications are usually designed for maximum performance and they are normally expensive. Examples for such materials include titanium alloys for supersonic aeroplanes, magnetic alloys for computer disks, special ceramics for the heat shield of space shuttle, etc. Let's see some newly developed engineering materials, their properties and applications. Composites. So, composites are a combination of two or more materials that are different in chemical composition. The materials which are blended to create a material with superior structure and better properties than their constituent materials. Composite materials can be a combination of various materials such as plastics, metals, fibers, or ceramics. However, the properties of a composite material depend on the properties, structure, and proportion of constituent materials. Composites usually consist of two parts, the matrix and the reinforcements. The matrix holds the reinforcements, transfers the load to the reinforcements, and protects them from mechanical and environmental damage. The reinforcements carry most of the load and provide stiffness. Some composite materials exhibit better properties than the constituent materials such as metals or plastics. Therefore, composite materials are preferred over other materials in applications such as aircraft manufacturing, space vehicles, electronics, and sporting goods. Classification of composites. So, based on the reinforcement, composites are classified as fiber reinforced, structural reinforced, particle reinforced. So this picture will give you the classification of composites based on their fiber reinforced, structural, particle reinforced, and their sub-classifications. Classification of composites. Fiber reinforced composites consist of thin fibers of a material which are suspended in a matrix of another material. Matrix is the medium or the substance in which the fibers are suspended. Fiber reinforced composite. Here the matrix distributes the stress across the fibers. The thin continuous or discontinuous fibers provide strength to the composite. Matrix also provides toughness to the fiber reinforced structure. Properties of a composite vary with the proportion of fiber used for reinforcement. Due to high fiber content, such composite materials are strong, stiff, and lightweight. Classification of composites based on matrix materials. In composites, the matrix phase serves important functions. First, it binds the reinforcement fibers together. It acts as a medium and transmits and distributes the external loads to the fibers. Matrix materials provide only a very small proportion of applied load is sustained by the matrix phase. The reinforcement takes up the bulk of the applied load. The matrix material should be ductile. The second function of the matrix is to protect the individual fibers from surface damage due to mechanical abrasion or chemical reaction with the environment. Reinforced materials. In composite materials, the reinforcement is responsible for higher strengths. Two main forms of reinforcements used are fibers and particles. Fibers. The materials used for reinforcing fibers have high tensile strength. So based on diameter and character, fibers are classified into three types: viscous, fibers and wires. Viscous are very thin crystals with extremely large length to diameter ratios. Fibers may be either polycrystalline or amorphous materials having small diameters. Fibrous materials are generally either polymers or ceramics. Wires relatively possess large diameters compared to fibers. Particles. The particles having size of up to 1 micrometer or more in the concentrations of 20 to 40% have been used in composites. Several metal particles such as tungsten, chromium, molybdenum, etc. can be suspended in ductile matrix. Polymer matrix composites. Matrix material is a polymer reinforced by ceramic. Example, carbon or glass fiber reinforced with plastics. Based on matrix material, we are going to see the types of composites. So, metal matrix composites. Here the matrix is made up of a pure metal or an alloy and the reinforcement is a ceramic phase. Matrix composites. Here the matrix and reinforcements are both made up of ceramic materials. Fiber reinforced plastics. They consist of fibers in a polymer resin matrix. Because of their room temperature properties, ease of fabrication and cost, they are used in large quantities. So the commonly used fibers are glass fiber, aramid fiber and carbon fiber. Let us see about glass fiber reinforced plastics. They are widely used and the least expensive of all the fibers. Generally used glass fiber is e-glass and common polymer matrix materials are polyesters and vinyl esters. This GFRP composites have very high specific strength, but they are not rigid and are limited to service temperatures below 200 degrees centigrade. Glass is popular as a fiber reinforcement material because they are easily drawn into high strength fibers, they are readily available, relatively strong, and when embedded in a plastic matrix, they possess their chemical inertness and also non-corrosive nature. Applications of GFRP. They are used in automotive and marine bodies, leaf springs, pipes, storage containers, sporting goods and industrial floorings. Aramid fiber reinforced plastics. They are desirable where lightweight, high tensile strength and high impact strength are important. Moreover, they provide resistance to creep and fatigue. The main drawbacks are they possess low compressive strength, moisture absorption and difficulty in cutting or machining. Kevlar 49 is the most common Arabic fiber. The common matrix materials are the epoxies and polyesters. Applications of AFRP are in bulletproof vest, sporting goods, pressure vessels, missile cases, automotive brake and clutch linings and gaskets. Carbon fiber reinforced plastics possess much lower densities, higher strength, higher stiffness to weight ratio, low coefficient of thermal expansion, and this gives better dimensional stability. The most commonly used matrix materials are epoxy, polyester, polyether ether ketone, and polyphenylene sulfide. The important characteristic of CFRP are they possess higher specific modulus and specific strength, high tensile modulus and high strength at elevated temperatures. They are not affected by moisture nor a wide variety of solvents like solvents, acids and bases. They possess relatively inexpensive and they are cost effective also. They have applications in sports and recreational equipment, filament wound rocket motor cases, pressure vessels, commercial and military aircraft, helicopter structures, and satellites. Metal matrix composites provide high temperature resistance, non-flammability, and greater resistance to degradation by organic fluids when compared to polymer matrix composites. Fiber reinforced MMCs contain continuous or discontinuous fibers or viscous in a ductile metal matrix. These composites offer high strength and stiffness, high coefficient of thermal expansion, and enhanced resistance to fatigue, abrasion, and wear. They also give high heat resistance and improved electrical and thermal conductivity. Applications of FRM: aluminum plus alumina fibers used in automotive connecting rods and pistons, aluminum plus boron fibers used in aerospace applications including struts for the space shuttle, aircraft wing panels, high strength propellers for ships, turbine blades and discs, jet engines and turbine blades. Advantages of FRM: they exhibit superior mechanical properties such as high strength, toughness, elastic modulus, fairly good fatigue and impact properties. Lightweight materials, they can be produced in any shape and size. They possess good corrosion resistance. They are less sensitive to temperature changes. Limitations of FRM: polymeric composites cannot be used for high temperature application. Cost of composites is somewhat higher than many conventional materials. Important applications in various fields are they are used in commercial aircraft, military aircraft, missiles, space hardware, automobile and trucks. Composite materials have wide application in many fields which can be seen here.